Today we are going to learn how to set up Python, Visual Studio Code, and install Python libraries on our system. Step 1. Installing Python. First, we will visit the official website, python.org. Under the Downloads section, we choose the latest stable version, such as Python 3.11.0. After downloading, we run the installer. It is very important to check the option Add Python to Path, because this allows us to run Python from the command line. Once the installation finishes, we can confirm by opening the command prompt and typing Python --version. If the version is displayed, our installation is successful. Step 2. Installing Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular editors for Python. To install it, we go to code.visualstudio.com and download the installer suitable for our operating system. After installation, we open VS Code and then go to the extensions section. Here, we search for the Python extension by Microsoft and install it. This extension provides important features such as debugging and auto-completion. Step 3. Installing Python libraries. Libraries extend the functionality of Python. To install a library, we use the command pip install. For example, pip install numpy for numerical computing, pip install pandas for data analysis, pip install matplotlib for visualization. These commands can be typed in the command prompt or terminal. Once installed, the libraries can be imported into our Python programs. In summary, we installed Python, set up Visual Studio Code as our editor, and learned how to install useful Python libraries. With this setup, thank you.